You clicked on this video, and I promise it'll be worth every second of your valuable time. Google just launched their official Android emulator, and trust me, it's way better than the other emulators out there. And guess what? It's running stock Android 14. When it comes to emulators, optimization is everything. If you've been using BlueStacks and watching, it eats your RAM like a hungry beast, leaving you with endless lags and frustrations. You might have questioned your life choices. But here's the good news. This new emulator comes straight from Google, the brand we already trust. So if you stick around till the end, I'll clear up all the details and show you exactly how to download and install this new Google Play Games Emulator. Alright, let's skip the boring stuff and dive straight into it. First, open Google and search for Google Play Games Emulator. Open this website. Now click on Download Stable Edition to download setup. Once it is downloaded, click on it, and it will automatically start installing. After installing, it will open automatically. Scroll upside to view all apps. You have noticed that there are no back and home keys to control the emulator. So you have to use Ctrl-H to go home and Ctrl-B to go back. If you open up the Play Store, you will find all apps are missing, so we will have to install them manually. Open up your Microsoft Store and search for Vusa side loaders. Lots of side loaders here, but you have to install the one named OS Tools. The reason we're using this one is that it's free and works really well. When you open it up and move toward the device section, you won't see any listed devices. So to link the emulator, go to the Help menu, select this code and copy it. Now search for command prompt and run it as administrator. Here, paste the code you copied earlier and hit enter. Now if I go back to the device section, you can see it has detected the emulator and shows it's online. Now just go to the install section. Drag and drop any app file here that you want to install, and it'll start installing. It may take some time to install according to app size and PC's performance. Now if I open up the emulator, you can see the apps are ready to use. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.